This is going to be a toolbox tour for my toolbox here at work. It's a Husky 52-inch top and bottom. Let's go ahead and take a peek. Got some nitriles up here. That's a snap-on light. My flashlight charger for that flashlight right there, my stream light. It's a good flashlight. My Matco pry bar. It's a 48-inch. Sitting on some bucket teeth right now. Milwaukee battery charger. Snap-on 3/8 drive flex head ratchet. This drawer is kind of a junk drawer. Here are my pliers. That's a snap-on set right there. These are Carlisle from Napa. Those two blue ones are from Carlisle from Napa. And these long ones I got on a promo deal from Matco, along with those minis. And that pair of dikes there. Some locking jaw pliers. This here is a set of snap-on locking jaw pliers. Work pretty well. Let's see. This is kind of like my, I guess, service drawer. Got oil filter wrenches, a hydrometer, some pocket screwdrivers, air chucks and gauges. Normal shit. This is kind of like my handled tool drawer. Got some hex keys, a little mini ratcheting screwdriver set, Matco pry bars, Matco scrapers, Napa files, a snap-on hose pick, some long hose picks or little mini picks or whatever you want to call them from Napa. Those are Matco seal picks. Those are Matco picks. Snap-on screwdriver set. This lady foot set right here is from Sunex. It's kind of my lock drawer right here. Not much in there. Empty drawer. I think I'm going to put my jumbo wrenches in here. I'm a heavy equipment mechanic up here in Alaska. It's pretty sweet. Some Tecton 3/4 inch stuff. This socket right here is actually snap-on 3/4 inch drive 15/16. So I replaced my Tecton one because it went to shit on me after the first use. These are Carlisle 1/2 inch drive impacts, deep and shallow. It was a pretty nice set. Got them on sale. These are Expert 3/8 drive impacts right here on this blue rail. Standard. These are standard 3/8 shallow and standard 3/8 deep. Snap on. These little bits right here came from a set I got actually from the case dealership that I work at. 1/4 inch shallow snap on. These are, I believe these are 1/2 inch drive impact hex bits from Carlisle. Over here's my metric side. 1/2 inch deep shallow Carlisle. These are Expert from Mac. Deep and shallow. 1/4 inch deep from Carlisle. I'm sorry, I think I missed a set. Oh, I guess not. I'm good. Metric 1/4 inch drive, shallow snap on. Goes from looks like 5 up to 15. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, 15. 3/8 drive, deep and shallow snap on. These are the same bits from that kit that I got. This is just a kind of an impact driver set from Ryobi. It's okay, it's not too bad. I'm only entry level, so that's basically, I don't need too much expensive stuff. I'm going to school too, so a lot of the Snap-on and Matco stuff you see is from me using my student discount. This is from Matco, ratcheting bit driver set. And that's pretty much it for my socket drawer. Here's all my ratchets and extensions. My 3/8 is right there. That's a 1/2-inch Snap-on, 1/2-inch Carlisle, 3/8 Carlisle, another 3/8 Carlisle. That's just a Husky 3/8 breaker bar. I don't really use it. This is a little 1/4-inch Snap-on. This is a 1/4-inch Carlisle. It's the long handle one. I got miscellaneous extensions, like these wobble ones are from Harbor Freight. We don't have a Harbor Freight up here in Alaska, but when I was down in Texas, I picked these up. And some Carlisle extensions. They're pretty good. These are my Tecton 3/4-inch drive extensions that came in that kit. That's just an adapter from 1/2-inch drive to 3/4-inch drive. That's from Tecton. Just some little adapters and swivels in there. This is my standard wrench drawer, Snap-on. These are Carlisle. I guess these crow's feet here from Evercraft from Napa. They're kind of wonky, but they do whenever I need them. Some gear wrenches. Some Evercraft flare nut wrenches. They're okay. And these are Carlisle box end offset wrenches. And some Husky adjustables. Here's my metric wrench drawer. Snap-on, Carlisle, again, Evercraft. And some more ratcheting wrenches from Gear Wrench. They work pretty good. And flare nut wrenches from Evercraft. Air tools. The blue ones are Napa. They work really well. That's a 3/4-inch drive. That's a 3/8 drive. Here's my 1/2-inch drive Matco. My Matco blowgun in this little sucker's tin here. I got all the little pieces that came in the kit. And the Mac Tools air ratchet. My electrical drawer, I guess you would call it. Some dielectric grease, electrical tape, some wire strippers. These are from Carlisle. These are the crimping, cutting, and stripping pliers. They work real nice. An amp clamp, a Fluke 116. That's a real nice meter. Just a cheap test light. It works real nice. Some mechanics wire and zip ties and conduit and some jumper leads here. My Persuasion drawer. Snap-on. This is a 32-ounce ball peen. This is another Pittsburgh Harbor Freight ball peen hammer. It works pretty well. It's kind of rusty, but it does good. Carlisle 16-ounce ball peen. The handle on this thing was just too long for the size, in my opinion, so one of the mechanics I worked with showed me to, or yeah, he just showed me how to just cut it and smooth the edges or whatever with a belt sander that we got. It's pretty sweet. Just a Carlisle soft-faced hammer with the replaceable ends. Carlisle drilling hammer, snap-on dead blow hammer. That's a 48 ounce right there. Yep. And then a Pittsburgh sledge. I kind of did the same thing as I did with that Carlisle hammer. I cut the handle and rounded the edges a little bit. This is a seal puller from Mac. Got this on a promo deal. Guy that I work with wanted to go halvesies on the promo deal, so he got the little drilling hammer, and I got the free seal puller, so we kind of split the cost in half so we could each get something we needed. It was pretty nice. Matco die grinder. I just need the right angle one. Matco wire brush. Nothing fancy. Bunch of punches and chisels. Here's a Matco kind of punch and chisel set that I bought off the truck. Not too bad. Just some cookies and I guess those little plastic brushes that you can put on your die grinder. Air tool oil. Got some burrs in there. My die grinder tools are in there too. This is my drill bit set that I got. Let me see if I can. It's hard to do one-handed. Let me set it down real quick. There we go. This is a neat set. It's the 29-piece cobalt bit set. I got it for like $80 on Amazon. I went ahead and bought it. It's pretty cool. Put that back. Okay. Another Irwin set here. Extractors, left-handed drill bits. Pretty sure a lot of you higher level techs have these. And then this is a Blue Point extractor set. It's got the right-handed drill bits in it. Haven't really got to use these extractors yet. They're pretty new. I just got them. But I guess that can also be a good thing that I haven't had to use them yet. This is pretty much a junk drawer. I got some tool catalogs, some WD-40 Aerocroil anti-seize, some of these hand and tool wipes or whatever. They're pretty nice. And some power tools. I just got some Milwaukee stuff. I bought the 3/8 drive kit. Came with these two 5 amp hour batteries and the charger. I paid like $280 for the set, I think. And then I bought the Bear Tool drill that's brushless. And then I bought the 1/2-inch drive Bear Tool. One of the other mechanics I work with, he swears by Milwaukee. So I used his and I really liked them. So I decided to get some for myself. Just a Carlisle hacksaw. Nothing special. You all seen a hacksaw. This is a Matco snap ring plier kit. It's a really nice kit. I think Mac and Snap-on and all of them pretty much make that. It's pretty much the same kit, and I think they just put their name on it. Correct me if I'm wrong. This is my first Toolbox tour video. If you think there's something I need to improve on, please let me know. Be nice about it, but constructive criticism is welcomed. Thank you.